Well, it depends. You're being more efficient with Agile. So if it takes longer to be more efficient, that's not necessarily saving time if you're looking for an increased value in your development, right? But in just in time, you're definitely trying to truncate your supply chain. You're not keeping warehouses, you're not, having trucks on the backlog. You're not, it's a whole different ballgame. That's my
Yeah, and I
experience.
think
Yeah. So I'm gonna contradict a little bit about what Wendy said, because I started my career in manufacturing. And when Agile came around, I found that a lot of the concepts that were used in Agile evolved out of the manufacturing, maybe not specifically just in time, but the lean and the Kanban concepts that came out of just in time. So I know when people like look at Scrum and they call it a Scrum board, it's really a Kanban board, and it's very similar to what you use in manufacturing as you move equipment through and you think about work in process and lead time and making sure you have a continuous pipeline of work for people to work on, whether they're assembling a product or they're writing code and then moving into test and things like that. So I think like the CI/CD pipeline is very similar to just in time, but a little bit more abstracted from it. So to me, all this stuff, I put in the chat, if you in the 80s and 90s and early 2000s, right?